My dear children, today in this module, we are going to study a new chapter, that is dissolution of a partnership firm. As we know, partnership is the association of many persons. The minimum number of the members required for starting partnership firm is 2. The written agreement about the partnership is known as partnership deed. It explains the terms and conditions of the partnership firm. The contents of the partnership deed are name and address of the partnership firm, name and address of the partners, amount of capital contributed by the partners, amount of drawings, rate of interest on capital, rate of interest on drawings, amount of salary, commission, etc. Accounting treatment of various reconstitution of partnership firm, that is admission, retirement and death of partners. Method of solving disputes among the partners and auditing of book of accounts. These are the important contents of partnership deed. There are two types of partnership. They are classification on the basis of duration and classification on the basis of liability. Then classification on the basis of duration, they are again divided into two: partnership at will and particular partnership. Then classification on the basis of liability, the partnership firms again divided into two: limited liability partnership and unlimited liability partnership. The important reconstitution of partnership are admission, retirement and death of the partner. Now we are going to study a new term, that is dissolution of partnership. The dissolution of a partnership implies the discontinuance of partnership, business and separation of economic relations between the partners. In case of dissolution of the firm closes its business altogether and realizes all its assets and pays all the liabilities. When all accounts are settled and the final payment is made to the partner for the amounts due to them. Dissolution of a partnership is a process in which relationship between the partners of the firm is dissolved or terminated. If a relationship between all the partners of a firm is dissolved, then it is known as dissolution of partnership firm. In case of dissolution of partnership firm, the firm ceases to exist. Let me ask one question. What is dissolution of a partnership? Yes, dissolution of a partnership firm merely involves a change in the relations of partners, whereas the dissolution of firm amounts to complete closure of the business. When any of the partners dies, retires or become insolvent, but if the remaining partners still agree to continue the business of the partnership firm, then it is the dissolution of the partnership firm. According to Section 39 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932 defines the dissolution of the partnership firms. The dissolution of the partnership firm means to stop all the business activities with the firm. There is a difference between dissolution of the firm and the dissolution of partnership. When all the activities regarding the business stops and all the profit and loss is settled among the partners is called dissolution of the firm, and when the partner takes the retirement from the firm, even though the firm continues to perform its activity with another partner, is called dissolution of partnership firm.